Come on, I'm conceited. I gotta read. Stop playing with him.
PAM in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. PAM here with the super bomb, affordable wig slay. Like, I really didn't do anything to this wig. I took it out the box. It's supposed to be a side part, but I was like, let's do a middle part and then let's. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. I got this wig from Ebonyline.com. It's a synthetic wig. It's very affordable. This is in the style Sassy HMH PAM. I'm gonna link everything in the description. I was searching YouTube for this actual unit and I didn't really see anyone with it. So I don't know if it's a new unit, an old unit. I really don't know, but it's super cute. It's super soft, like, to vibe. I'm gonna be wearing this on Easter. It comes with baby hairs. The lace was already cut off, so if you have problems or issues cutting the lace, like, you know, you're not a professional cutting off the lace, it doesn't come with any lace, so it's good for you. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections below. But right now I'm gonna get into how I slayed this wig. It was super easy. It literally took me 2 seconds, and I think this is gonna be my go-to throw on wig because literally I just threw it on and it's a vibe. Super cute. So I hope you guys enjoy it and let's start. Okay, so I'm back with another wig review. It's been a long time since I've been here with a synthetic wig review, but this one is from Ebonyline.com. It's called Sassy PAM. I got the color Strawberry Blonde. This is what the wig looks like. I'm gonna just take the unit out. I'm actually pretty excited. Wow, I didn't. Woo! She is bold. Let me show you guys what's going on here. Hold on. You get 3 combs, 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back. It's strawberry blonde, but I'm getting very pink vibes. The lace is already cut off. The lace is already, oh my gosh, the lace is already cut off, so that's a plus. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just put it on. I personally like to go for like middle parts. So let's see if we can even get a middle part. It does come with a bit of baby hairs, as you can see. We're going to take our fingers and finger comb it. Surprisingly, this hair is super, super soft. This is originally supposed to be worn as a side part, but of course you could wear it side, middle. You could cut some bangs if you want to. I think the bangs would actually be a vibe. I actually do not want to slick any baby hairs down, but the hair itself is really, really, really soft. Like, I'm so surprised at how soft this hair is. It's not a 613. Like, I don't know if you can tell. It's like a salmon-y color. Like, I see pinks in here. It's 613, but like 613 mixed with pink, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this piece and kind of begin. I just cut a little just in case when I wanted to wear it, you know, another side part, I could do that. But I didn't do much of anything to this hair and it's a vibe. Like, I'm really here for this hair. Cute. I can see myself, I've never been to Coachella, but I could see myself rocking this hairstyle to Coachella. Like, I'm gonna position the hair side to side just in case you don't like, you know, front bangs and you want to see what it looks like to the side. I'll do the side for you. You could slick down the baby hairs if you wanted to. I don't really think it's necessary. If the wind started to blow, I would just pull the wig down and tuck the hair and be like walking like this, honestly. So here's the unit to the side, one side. Let me pull it to the other side just in case you're not a right-sided type of girl. I just want to show you the versatility of what you can get. So here's the other side. You could also, you know, slick the little baby hairs down. The unit is very cute, very versatile. I would say it's super natural hair goals, but you know me, I'm always here for a middle part. So if you're here for middle parts, this is a middle part. And then I just gave myself the bang. So middle part with a bang. Bomb! So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Be sure to check out Ebonyline.com. They have a whole lot of hair, crochet hair, wigs, human hair wigs. They have a lot of stuff. Be sure to check them out. I'll link everything in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! This Louis got me feeling like a baddie.
Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can